Welcome to the next episode of So You Want to Be a Lawyer. I'm here in the fabulous New York Law School building, and I'm currently here in the mooting competition room. If you've not watched So You Want to Be a Lawyer before, it's a law quiz, 10 questions in total. And if you get 10 questions right, it's £1,000. If you get the first 5 questions right, it's £50. And then you've got to make a decision whether to go for the next 5. 10 questions in total. Every question has a time limit. So let's go for it. Can the Court of Appeal set binding authority over the UK Supreme Court?
No.
Correct. Well done.
Pressure.
Pressure's off now. You got the first one right. Okay. Property. You studied property?
A bit.
Okay. A lease regulates the relationship between a what and a what?
A landlord and a tenant.
Well done. Second question done. Third question. What are the 4 elements of negligence in the correct order, please?
Oh.
And I'm not including damages. What's
Duty
the first
of
one?
care.
Duty of care.
Breach.
Breach.
Negligence. What? No, I don't know.
Sorry.
What are the other 2?
Duty of care, breach of that duty, causation and remoteness.
Oh, so easy.
Okay, next contestant, we have Russell from Newcastle. Name any source of UK law.
Statute.
First question done. Second question. Does the Privy Council have authority over the Supreme Court?
No.
2 questions down. Very good. Which of the following isn't under the jurisdiction of the European Court for Human Rights? And I'll give you a choice here. Is it Turkey, Russia, or the USA? Think about it.
Is it the USA?
It is. Well done. Under the Limitation Act 1980, how long did the claimant have to hold the land adversely? And it's an option round. Option 1, 12 years. Option 2, 5 years. Option 3, 7 years. Or option 4, 10 years.
It's just a wild guess at 5 years.
Sorry.
No.
It's 12 years, I'm afraid.
Oh, okay.
Okay, next contestant on So You Want to Be a Lawyer. We have Amy from Scarborough. Which of the following is not a requirement for a crime? Option 1 is physical act. Option 2 is intent. Option 3 is concurrence or closeness in time between act and result. Option 4 is evil motive. So which of the following is not a requirement for a crime?
Number 4, evil motive.
Well done.
Thank you.
In what type of court, so what's the name of the court, are the lesser types of criminal trials held?
The magistrate's court.
Well done. What is the Latin term used when a person, company, or other body performs an act that is outside its lawful powers? A Latin term.
Locus standi? I don't know. Just a guess.
Ultra vires, I'm afraid. This episode of So You Want to Be a Lawyer is sponsored by the New York Bar Company. After your 3-year LLB, you're eligible to take the New York Bar exam. That's the same exam that all New York attorneys will take. You'll qualify as a New York attorney. It's a great way to bolster your CV, makes you stand out from the crowd, and it's a great time, challenging, fun, and inspirational. Is it possible for 2 different banks to have a mortgage over the same property at the same time?
Yes.
Correct. That's just priority of mortgages. What does the acronym ECJ stand for?
English. No, European Court of Justice.
That's right, correct. What does Article 5 of the Human Rights Act 1998 protect?
I don't know. I'm going to settle with
Dr. Hurrier.
Right to a family life, etc.
Incorrect, I'm afraid.
What was it?
It's right to liberty and security of the person.
Oh, yeah, that's the important one as well, isn't it?
That's
Can I have
one of
another
the important
then?
ones.
Come across better.
First question, Ben. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go. What is the correct terminology for the two parties normally involved in an appealed civil case?
The appellant and the respondent.
Well done. Name a type of inchoate offence. Any type of inchoate offence.
A conspiracy to commit burglary. Any criminal offence.
Well done. Yeah, that's right. I'll accept that. What is the maximum sentence that a Crown Court can bestow on a defendant?
Life sentence.
Well done. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option 1. Intentional torts or wrongs for which liability depends upon establishing the intent of the defendant. Strict liability, this is option 2. Strict liability places responsibility on defendant only when he or she is reckless. Option 3. The tort of negligence involves careless conduct by the defendant. And option 4. The tort of nuisance could involve a combination of strict liability, negligence, and intentional misconduct on the part of the defendant. So which one of those statements was incorrect?
Can I have C again, please?
Option 3.
Yeah, please.
The tort of negligence involves careless conduct by the defendant. Does that sound correct or incorrect?
I would go for C to be incorrect.
It's wrong, I'm afraid.
Sorry.
It was option 2. Strict liability places responsibility on defendant only when he or she is reckless.
All right.
What is the correct terminology for the two parties normally involved in a civil case?
Okay. Claimant and defendant.
Well done. Straight out of the bat there. Cool. Very good. In what type of court are the lesser types of criminal trials held?
Magistrates court.
Well done. Very quick. Third question. Doing well so far.
Yep.
Let's keep it going. Name any source of UK law.
Case law.
Well done. Good. The fertile octogenarian and the precocious toddler are all issues concerning what real property rule? Dr. Hurrier.
Yep. Is it rules on who gets the property after death, kind of thing, on death? Who the property passes over?
Afraid it's not right, I'm
Is that
afraid.
right? Okay.
It's the rule against perpetuities.
Right. Okay.
Did you know that?
No, I didn't have a clue.
Our next contestant on So You Want to Be a Lawyer is Linda. Linda from Liverpool. And you're a third year?
Yes.
Okay. And why did you choose York?
It's a really good city. I really like the open day, and I just really wanted to come here.
Okay. In order to be guilty, the prosecution must establish the guilt of the defendant what?
Beyond reasonable doubt.
Well done. Very well done. Name any type of criminal offence against the person.
Assault.
Assault. Well done. Great stuff. On the way to the £50. In terms of authority, which is the only court that has authority over the UK Supreme Court?
Is it the ECJ?
It is the ECJ. Well done. Which of the following would not be a good example of an easement? So wouldn't be a good example of an
Okay.
easement. Okay. Option 1, flight. Option 2, light. Option 3, away. Or option 4, to manure. Okay. So which is not a good example of an easement?
The right to flight.
It is. Well done. Right, okay, final question. We might have a winner here. Which famous case relating to Spanish fishing vessels saw a court of law issue an injunction preventing a minister from following an act of parliament? What's the name of the case? Very famous case. Spanish fishing vessels.
It's not fact tame, is it?
It is.
Is it?
It is. Yeah. Well done. £50. Okay,
I
we
actually
have a
guessed
winner.
that, you know. I just thought EU, what have I been writing about? And that's what I've been writing about.
Well, it's your
It's my lucky day.
lucky day. So we have a winner at York University today. Linda, well done, congratulations. And what are you going to spend the money on?
I'll probably go out and buy some clothes or something.
Nice. Which shop?
Oh, I don't know. I'll have to see. I've got the choice now.
Well done, congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, so we've had a really great time here at York Law School in their fabulous new building. We had one winner, Linda. She won the £50. Hopefully we can have many more if we come to your university.